My name's Eichelberger. I'm 34 years old and I'm originally from Pennsylvania, but I've lived in many parts of the US and 5 different countries at this point. Mostly large structural art at Burning Man events and things like that. Also a big fan of surrealist painters. It took me a long time to actually call myself an artist. I was probably working on large projects and involved with many different forms of art for several years before I actually felt like I was being an artist. When I'm welding together hundreds of little pieces, it's kind of like a form of meditation, but much more productive. If I'm stressed out about something or I have a lot of anxiety at any given time, weld together 300 or 400 pieces and whatever I was worried about at the beginning of the day doesn't matter anymore. This helps me manage stress and anxiety. It's not that I'm specifically passionate about sculpture, it's just that 3D and form, in a world where we have so little control over things that go on around us, metal is not very malleable, not very pliable. But I make it do what I want it to do, and the outcome is somewhat in my control. A sense of permanence when other things just come and go throughout your life. I make something like this, could last hundreds, if not thousands of years if it's properly taken care of, whereas I can't think of very many other things that I can do in my daily life that would last that long. When it comes to the art, probably about 80% of my tools are also recycled. All of the material that I get is 100% recycled, all of my work, including glass for tables and things like that. But I find and restore tools, and if I find broken power tools at the scrapyard, if I can fix it there, I bring it home. So most of my tools are also recycled. I came first in 2013, left for about 1.5 years on a series of projects in Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, the US, and then I came back in the very beginning of 2017, so probably 4 or 5 years in total. I intend to stay in Taiwan. Oh my God, the food, the environment, I love the mountains. People are super friendly, it's stable, good health care. Honestly, I can't think of any negative things about Taiwan. I love it here. Bye-bye.